Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making country peach cake. This is really yummy, uses condensed milk, simple, easy recipe. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Subscribe to the Little House of Beans, smooshy that like button, hit the notification bell. It will help our channel grow. And we do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie Beans, available on Amazon. Don't go away yet. We also have a giveaway. Watch this video for the details. I am super hungry. We just had dinner, and what a better way to end it with a peachy southern dessert.
Let's cook.
Let's cook. Now these are sliced peaches. I could not find cubed or diced, so we'll cut. Now I like to put this little Omnia, I forget what it's called, maybe Stu behind the camera knows. I don't know if there's a specific name for it, but this little thing prevents food and any kind of batter or whatever you're pouring into your Omnia from spilling into that hole, which I am guilty of. I have. Half a cup of oil. Okay, next we're adding 1 cup of half and half. This is the 1 cup mark. I added a little bit more because we're camping and Stu loves half and half creamer in his coffee. Now this is 2 cups of sifted flour. I sifted it before we went on our camping trip, just to make things a little easier. If you'd like to be entered in a contest to win the funnel lid, please comment, messy but yummy. Let's clean that up. So you think this is burnt? I think it's the condensed milk part of the cake. Let's cut into it. Let's see. It's almost like a flan consistency.